Hello, CBSE 12th standard students. Today I am going to explain you the first poem from your textbook Flamingo. The poem is My Mother at 66. It is written by Kamla Das. Kamla Das, she was a sensitive writer and she tried to display human relationship through the poem. She writes about her mother at 66 and she feels sad at her growing age. Because aging is a natural process, nobody can stop it. And this old lady, her mother, she is an image of aging and dullness. On the other hand, there is a contrast. Why there is a contrast? Because children, you can see children are happy and in energetic mood, they are in joyous mood. So these two things have been contrasted in this poem. Now this driving from my parents' home, the writer, she came to her parents' home to see them. Now today, on Friday, she was going towards Cochin airport. And she saw that her mother, she was sitting beside her in the car. She was open-mouthed. She dozed means she was grey like ash. Now see this phrase, her face ashen like that of a corpse. Corpse means dead body. Her face, which figure of speech is used here? Simile. उसके face को, उसकी माँ के face को किससे compare किया गया है? Corpse से, dead body से. That is why it is simile. And realized with pain. Why she was in pain? Why she was in pain? Because she cannot stay with her forever. Maybe she is working somewhere, so she is going back from her hometown. But her mother was very sad. Maybe because of the dullness of the age, or maybe because of some other problem, she went to see of her daughter. And that she was as old as she looked, but soon. So this girl, this lady, this writer was thinking about her mother's old age, and she was also sad because she was leaving her hometown. But suddenly she stopped thinking all these things and she looked outside the car, because inside the car her aging mother was there, dullness, pale and sad mood was there. But outside the car, what did she see? She saw young trees sprinting. Sprinting means racing fast. And the children, they were in a happy mood. Even they were spilling. Spilling means they were also moving very quickly, or they were running out of their homes. Maybe they were going to play in the garden or in the park. But after the airport security check, what happened? Her mother stood a few yards away. Now this writer, she again looked at her. She was wan. Wan means colorless. She was pale. Okay. She again saw her mother in a dull mood, in pale face, as a late winter's moon. Now, why late winter's moon? That winter का moon क्या होता है? It lacks brightness. Brightness होती नहीं है वहाँ पे. Even it lacks strength. तो she was looking like a late winter's moon and felt that old familiar ache. My childhood fear. What her childhood's fear? That she would leave her. बचपन का डर. बचपन में बच्चों को क्या डर होता है कि कहीं मेरी माँ को कुछ हो न जाए. That one day she would leave her. तब मैं क्या करूँगी? तो उसको अपने बचपन के डर वापस से याद आने लगे. ओके, द सेम एक, वही दर्द उसको वापस से हो रहा है. My childhood's fear means that she would leave her. But all I said was, but the writer said, see you soon, Amma. All I did was smile, smile and smile. वो डर रही है. मे बी शी वुड बी एबल टू सी हर अगेन. अब दोबारा वो माँ से मिल पाएगी कि नहीं. बट वो क्या बोलती है? सी यू अम्मा. एंड शी स्माइल्ड एंड smiled. Smile and smile मतलब she gave assurance of hope of life. उसने कहा अम्मा लौट के आते हैं तो फिर शायद हम दोबारा मिलेंगे. तो smile and smile means assurance of hope of life, that we will meet again. Now, what is the theme of this poem? The theme is that time and aging spares none. एजिंग तो सभी के साथ होनी है एक ना एक दिन, ठीक है. एंड द सेकेंड मैसेज, द आइडिया इज दैट विद एजिंग सेपरेशन एंड डेथ बिकम्स अनअवॉइडेबल. अब एजिंग के साथ क्या होगा, आदमी डेथ भी होएगी, आदमी सेपरेट भी होगा एक दूसरे से, तो दैट कैन नॉट बी अवॉइडेड. एंड द थर्ड थीम इज दैट इट इज अबाउट सोशल आइसोलेशन एंड लोनलीनेस दैट इंक्रीजेस विद द एज. अभी एडल्ट पेरेंट्स के साथ क्या हो रहा है, ओल्ड एज होम्स में छोड़ के आ रहे हैं. सो दीज आर द थीम्स ऑफ द पोएम, दैट टाइम एंड एजिंग स्पेयर्स नन, then with aging separation and death become unavoidable. And the third message is it is about social isolation and loneliness that increases with the age. So these are the themes of the poem, and I have already discussed the figure of speech. Her face ashen like that of a corpse. तो क्या है, simile है. एंड वेयर इज द कॉन्ट्रास्ट, कॉन्ट्रास्ट क्या है, एक ओल्ड एज जो उसकी मदर कार में बैठी है और बाहर कौन खेल रहा है, द यंग चिल्ड्रन आर रनिंग एंड स्पिलिंग. तो वो दौड़ दौड़ के खेलने के लिए कहीं पे भी गार्डन में जा रहे हैं. सो दीज टू फिगर ऑफ स्पीचेस आर डिस्कस्ड इन दिस पोएम. Okay, now you can go through this poem, and if you have any doubt you can always send your questions on my comment box, and please share this video with your friends also, so they can also study well. In the next video I will come up with the next lesson. Thank you, students.